Ashley Meier, and I'm from Ankeny, Iowa, and I'm actually a sales and product specialist here at the Ankeny location at Karl Auto Group. Growing up, I was able to help my dad with cars, fixing them, especially Fords, and being able to see what he did for the process of that. But looking for jobs, this was definitely not on my list, but once I applied here, it actually really caught my eye, and I'm glad I'm actually working here now. I was one of the first sales and product specialists that they actually hired back in 2019, and coming from point A to point B here, I had to learn a lot of the product knowledge, such as going through every single vehicle, especially from a Corvette to a little Spark, so I had to know everything inside and out. My favorite part working here at the Karl Auto Group, I've actually been able to experience lots of different stories with customers who come in purchasing their vehicles, and it goes from like hearing impaired to my first ever Camaro sold, just seeing the stories that I get to come across and tell everybody, like my family, my friends, about this. That's probably the best part of working here for myself. I would also say my coworkers are probably one of my favorite parts here, just because they're all funny, they're all goofy. Nobody's serious here, unfortunately, but we all have a good time, especially when we're all working together. The challenges would be seeing that we've had 2,000 cars here on our lot to a total of 4. So I've seen the highs and the lows of working here. I would just say keep your head up. Again, you're working in a man's world. Just make sure you know your product knowledge so you can at least get the customers to buy. Otherwise, they might look at you a little bit different that you're a woman. So definitely keep your head up and know the product knowledge.